Hi. Here, I hear you. The pitch isn't perfect, baby, but just to give you an idea of what the radio specter can sound like. Here we go. Hold on. Here we go. Hello? You hear it? How many can hear me, please? 3? Now when we speed up the sweep, which this radio is actually supposed to be good at, which we normally don't do. Normally when the sweep is too fast to listen to, now it comes in, listen to this. Leave it right there, baby, did you hear that? Said leave it right there, did you hear that? Frank, did you, baby? You guys, is this working? Okay, baby, so once I get the pitch proper, you see the implications of this, right? Hello? Which texts are online right now, please? Which texts are online right now, please?